Hello, welcome. Can you hear me? Hi, Luis. Can you hear me? Hello, everybody. Can you hear me? You can message me if you can hear me. We're gonna do a live chat today. S- So I was looking at the pre-market Snap, and Snap is just pushed up. That was I was thinking that whether it's gonna break on the pre-market or after the market opens. So it broke the pre-market, and let's see how does it gonna move, and it's gonna give us a good opportunity once the market opens and we can find something better here. And let's look at the pins as well, that how the pins is doing, because pins and the snaps are uh, similar sector. So pins is also, if you see here, is moving with the snap. So for both the stock we can keep in our watch list, and I believe that both sectors are correlation, both in the same sector, and pins also have the earning due, so we might get a good run out of them, both of them as well. So if you look at it, is simultaneously moving both of them. So we just keep closely gonna look at it, and we'll see if we can find a better opportunities here. If you look at it, it's making a bull flags here. Those who are watching us on the YouTube, if they wanted to join our Skype with with no delay, email me so I can share with you the with the ID, and then you can also join us on the Skype. And if you want to watch on the YouTube, you're welcome to watch there as well, and you can message me if you have any questions. I was looking at the HOG as well, Luis, but I don't know this. It is primarily traded on the US stock exchange or other stock exchange because I see a lot of gaps on this stock. So I was not pretty sure that HOG could be a good stock to play. Uh, Yesterday, HD came down with the market, and uh, and right now it's making a bear flag. So we can keep a close eye on HD. If it's going to break 320, we can have a good momentum on the downside. So someone put on your watch list. I'm also looking at it so we can keep track. And if it's, we gonna get a right opportunity, uh, or we can play HD as well. Right now, the snap is really making bull flag after bull flag. If you look at it, it's really nice momentum. Exactly where we thought that this is going to be resistance and people going to join. If you look at it, a beautiful bull flag form. 3 minutes to go to the market open. SPY and Nasdaq both are green at this point. Bitcoin is the red. The only stock which I see in the gapping down is Coin, Mara, Riot, INTC, and CAN. And other stocks are just moving fine. So we just need to wait for the market to give us the direction at this point. It's a Friday, so we need to be very careful on the trading. All right, 15 seconds to go. Those who are watching on the YouTube, appreciate if you guys give a thumbs up. All right, so market opens. Let's now see. Snap is just moving up without giving us any clue. SPY first candle is red. It's making a topping tail. AXP has no volume yet. ASD made the dodgy candle, but it opened green. Market turned positive. No clear direction. If you see, all the stocks doesn't have any enough good volume in either direction. So not very clean moves uh, in any of the stocks which we are watching right now. Okay, let's look at the HT. I think HT making a bear flag now. Uh, I wanted to trade under 2170, but it moved so quickly. So now let's wait if it's going to give us the right opportunity. Uh, by the time I was loading here, it in the on the screen has just moved 50 cents. Uh, that's fine. Let's check it out. If we're gonna get another chance, it's gonna consolidate here, and we can find the right opportunity here. If it's gonna break under 321, it's gonna be a $1 risk, and we can go short here. Under 321 with the $1 risk here. So Snap is making a bear flag right now, but we are not going to go towards a short. But if you look at it, it's really losing seems like a losing a momentum, but it's too early for this strong stroke to go any short. Okay, so I'm going short here.
Order partially filled.
HD.
Order filled.
I'm short HD. Any of you guys joined me? Because of the spread still not moved much. We at least looking for a break of 320 and go towards 318, which is a pre-market. You know, if I just remove this, you're gonna see a profit target here. So the low of the previous day, 318, that was I was expecting to get the get the move. Let's see how does it behave with this support. So now, if you see here, it's really struggling to go under 320.50 and 321. So we need to see closely how does it behave. It's making one more bear flag. If you look at it now, it's making one more bear flag, uh, and the idea is that this new candle shouldn't break this candle, and this moving average should stay below. As far as is below, we are on the setup, and setup is really nice right now. But because of the spreads, it doesn't give a chance us to take the profit. So Snap, if you look at it, that's what I'm saying that Snap was making a bear flag and it's moved down. I was just a bit uncomfortable taking this. The reason is because it was very strong this morning, and that's the only stock what's moving. Therefore, I was not comfortable taking on the short side. But if you see here, the snaps are basically bear flag is was completely good, making it came down back down here. HD started moving in, breaking 320. I'm only on the on HD. Andre, have you guys joined me on HD? Anyone joined me on the HD? Okay, it's HD looks good. It's breaking 320 right now. So QDEL looks really nice for the short. Uh, if it's come below, I'm just looking for a nice pattern here at this point. 10780 is really look good. 10780 with the risk of 80 cents. QDEL. Okay, so this is close to our profit target. I'm just wanted to see one more push down, and then I'm gonna push the trailing order here. Oh, it's pushed back again 320. What the heck is this? It's touched or close to a target and then moved back up. So let's see that does it give us a continuation. I'm just gonna put the limit order now because it's looked like uh, it's moving so quickly. Okay, it's touching again the low of the day, 31.1959. I want to see what it does here now. Can it break? Can it break? If it doesn't gonna break, I'm gonna take the profit. Okay, it's moved back up on the 320. Not a good sign. Still 3 minutes left on this minute. Not getting the right push which I was expecting right now.
Order cancelled.
If you see here is now, consolidating again, making a small bear flag. If you look at it like this, you're gonna see here. But the formation looks clean, but as far as not moving over 320, if it's move over 320.10, I'm gonna take the profit. As far as underneath, it's looked like another bear flagging. We just need one more push down, and I will take the partial. Come on, HD, you can do last 1 minute. Let's move over 320.18. Okay, so this is last minute, and if not, then I have to take the profit. Okay, last 30 seconds.
Order
Okay,
filled.
I didn't get much profit out of it. I only got 50 cents after this move. That's fine. Let's look at the another one now. Okay, so let's look at the other one. Let's see what Snap is doing right now. So AXP is really pushing up now. QDL is pushing up. Um, Market is moving up. So it looked like an SD is making another bear flag. If it's come down again, I'm gonna go short again with the 30-cent risk this time. 32.60.
Order
I'm
filled.
short, and I'm gonna risk 30 cents. Anyone join me on HD at this point? We're looking good at this point again. You can still join me on the break of 320. See, AXP looks good on the break of 140, 140, 140. If you guys want to go short here on the break of 140, 140. Okay, SD is not going in my direction, and I'm stopping out on my second trade.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm out. Yeah, AXP, I'm watching it. AXP looks really weak. And 140, 140, I'm gonna go short, as I said. Um, it really looks weak. But every time it comes here, it's basically bought back up. If you look at it, there's so many bottoming tails here. So I wanted to break this level, and then we're gonna go short because SPY is moving up. Okay, so it's moving down now.
Order filled.
So I'm short on on
Order
AXP.
filled.
Let's see what is the momentum it give it to us. This clearly it has a support here. Now let's see what it does here.
Order filled.
It's almost a $1 risk on this trade. Okay, so AXP is now since Mayor is shorting. So look at the what happened to our trade. This is a really that was I was worried about that it has a very good support here, but it broke the support and then pulled back up at the low volume. Look at the how big it was a volume, and it's just oh my goodness. Okay, we need to wait
Order
uh,
filled.
to see whether it's gonna break our resistance because that is our stop loss as well. Look at the spike it made with a very low volume. Okay, so AXP has really sucked us. Okay, I mean these two candles are really annoying. Okay, man, this is really we have to stop out. If it's gonna break this, I need to stop out. Uh, is it is really broke the pattern? It's just keep moving up now with the low volume. This is the last whole number is a support resistance. Okay, so we need to see whether it can break this candle. If it's gonna break this candle, it means that this wanted to move up. Okay, AXP doesn't look really good at all now. It's just a saver now. We'll need to see whether what it does. If it's break this resistance what we have marked before, then uh, we just need to stop out. Okay, I think it's breaking right now, and and okay,
Order
I'm out.
filled.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so that was the very bad trade. XP is screwed. That's made me a bread today, and now I need to find one last opportunity if we can find. Let's look at the GXX. GXX is making bull flags. With the volume came in as well. We can go over. Let's see if it gives us a little bit more consolidation here, and we can go along. Look at the volume came in here, and we just need to see that whether if we can consolidate. Uh, it's gonna be risky at this point. We just need a one pull back before we join. Let me check. 23, yeah, looks good. 23 over 50 is making a bull flag. Let me check at the bigger time frame. Yeah, I think this looks good. But doesn't have a good volume. So GX has had a good pullback here. Now if it's gonna break the 28, we can go for a long. Let's look at the risk here. It's gonna be risk of 30 cents here. Oh, look at the KNB. Have you taken KNB? It's just pushed up 50. Nice trade. Yeah, the only reluctance for me is very low volume. Look at the volume. Volume is only 4,000, 2,000 shares. These kind of are risky. Oh, you missed it as well? Okay. But look at the volume, is not reliable. Look at the AXP, what this done to us. Yeah, but AXP has an earning play. I mean, this market is really tricky. All the gap ups are going gap are selling off after the market, and all the stocks which are sold off, they are moving up. So no clear trend. Essentially, let's check this one. It's a 50-cent spread. I mean, I like this stock over 28.70. But if you look at it as a 50-cent spread, it's really too big of a. Okay, that's what I was expecting from the snap to give us a pullback. Now it's giving the pullback. Uh, okay, so let's see if this 1 minute candle is really a bullish candle, which after the consolidation happens. So let's see if we can get the reversal out of it. Uh, I hope it's going to consolidate here, and but if it's consolidated, it's going to be better move for us. So if it's consolidated, it's really going to be better. Right now, if we take it, we have a 50 cents risk up to low of the day, which is the, and this is the first strong move after 940. But I cannot rely unless it shows a consolidation here. How's the mayor's days going? Yes, I can. Yeah, AXP was okay. So it is consolidating now. Now look at the uh, snap. We can go long over 66.70 with 30-cent risk. Yeah, but I don't know, it's not clear setup. So does it hold 31? I don't know. I'm looking for the snap reversal. The snap is looking good, but it doesn't give us the right momentum. Uh, if it's consolidate and it gives us a right pattern, then we can go long. Market is just keep moving up. I'm gonna try one more time AXP short, but I want to see to break the 143. It's a two on the 5 minute it shows the bullish pattern, but is also uh, showing a topping tails. And the 1 minute it shows a bear flag, and I feel like it might be that on the some people want to go long here and gonna get stuck, uh, and can be a nice shot here. Yeah, KNB was a good trade, but it's low volume, but it was really nice trade. It moved really well in the direction. Yeah, snap failing. Look at here. Yeah. But I don't know what will be the ride is not giving a clear pattern. So that's why I was waiting to see the bull flag. Now it still is a bull flag. If this red candle ends before this green candle and the next 5 minute candle break this 64.45, 60.50, then we can clearly go long on this. Market is also consolidating at the top. SD is failing now. Okay, so AXP is coming. I'm gonna short if it's gonna break 143.
Order filled.
Ah, I couldn't get the right fill. I didn't get the right fill.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Now this I want really come this to come down all the way, cover the gap, and that is going to be my last trade. Let's see that am I able to come back to green or break even or or the red for the day. So this is last chance. I'm I wanted to short under 143, but it spiked down and gave me the very bad fill with the 18 cents more than what I wanted to. Yes, yeah, AXP short under 143. I'm thinking to make the same trade on the WSTD as well. Let's see how does it work. Right now it's not doing what I was expecting. Seems like another loser from this now. So if you see here, I will give 30 cents risk now because it's gonna be 50 cents for me. Uh, but I still feel that look at this, the how is rejected the 143. If it's gonna go over 143, I'm gonna reduce. Um, this is still the setup is right because the market is also coming down. Made the topping tail on the top. It's strongly rejected. The question is that whether it's gonna continue this momentum. It was coming down, making topping tails. Uh, I still feel the good, but let's see that how this candle ends. This candle was really poorly ended on the 5-minute candle. So SPY also changes direction in a sense that uh, this is going to be an important candle here. So pins and the snap are making the nice bear flags. You're right, but it's on the I don't like the bear flag when it's making at the low of the day, and with the strong stock, you never know when it's gonna bounce back. You see what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm making another losing trade here on the AXP. Uh, Still, the trade is fine. We need to see that just this 5 minute candle, how does it end? If it's gonna break over 143.35, something like that, we have to stop it out. So it's 33. Uh, it's definitely moving up now. Okay, this is the last chance that it can break. SPY is moving up again. Okay,
Order
I'm out.
partially filled. Order filled.
Look at the FS. Definitely, I'm ending in the red day. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's check it out pins. So pins, yeah, is broke the P. Yeah, do you have any other thing you're looking at it? Tiger. Let's look at the tiger. Tiger is just keep moving up. So if you look at it here, is again is making uh, you know bottoming here. There's support here, but it's cleared a bear flag. Look at the FSR. FSR is making a bear flag under 1417, but it's up for the day. So you look at it, it's a big consolidation. Ah, so see if it's this bear flag fail in FSR, we then gonna go long over 1420. Usually I've seen that when there is a big the gapped up stock making a bear flag, and it's failed the bear flag, and then it's go sharply up on the upside momentum. So let's wait for it. Wow, it's be a bit late in OCGN. Look at the nice flags and this broke $10 move. Few minutes late. Okay, look at the FSR. I think FSR failed the move bear flag. That's what I was saying to you. That is gonna if it's gonna fail the bear flag, it's gonna move sharply up. So if it's gonna break this candle, we can go long on 1424 with the 20-cent risk. Look at the SPY. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out, but I think the BNTX is looks really good. It's making again the bull flag over the VWAP. You guys can definitely go over long over 175 on WSTD account if you see this. It looks really good. And also on FSR over 1420, over 1426. Right now, it failed the bear flag, moved back up, and again failed the you know breakout trade, and then again came back. But I still feel that when this kind of a thing happen, usually the stock move very sharply upside, and if you see it has a support here. So but don't go long here, go long on this side. I'm gonna end my day red today. And BNTX is really making a nice bull flag over the VWAP. So if it's break over 174.90, you should go long. It's very close. 175.06 should you should go long. So go long on the BNTX when the bid move over 175. Look at the sharp volume came in. So this really looked nice, making a bull flag. Maybe I'm thinking to take a long here as well. It's looking good. Wait for the bid to move over 175. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. Hope it helped you in any way. Didn't have a nice trade today. The market was really choppy. These days are really a bizarre trade. But I think one thing what I'm noticing is that the market is really in different phenomena. Those who are gapped up coming down, and those who are gapped down is moving back up. I think this is what I'm noticing from last few days. So let's see if this is a similar pattern we note, then maybe the next week we're gonna trade in this way. All right, guys. Thank you.